Hi guys, so time for another unboxing. This time these are accessories, jewelry. I ordered it from Flowerchild. It's a brand of shine abbas. So there's this crudo. It was they were running some sale. So yeah, I took opportunity of the sale. This is a crudo necklace. I had my eyes on it since like a year, and then finally I bought it this time. There's another, this was on 40% sale. It was some sample sale. There is very minute scratches around, but it's like not really visible. So I still feel it was like a good deal. I got 40% sale. It's a very sturdy metal. And then there was another this piece, which is a choker, which is gorgeous. I remember seeing it on Nihatopia and I knew I wanted it. I keep seeing Shine Abbas wearing this, and always had my eye on it. I'm finally glad I wear it. I've got it. So she keeps, layering it these two together, and sometimes even all three together. So I thought, 20% off plus is on 40 is the best time to buy. Do check out her brand. It's really cool stuff. They claim that the gold is polish will not really come out very easily. It will take really ages for it to really wear off. So I believe it was worth trying it. So anyways, thank you guys.